Enchanted Animal Kingdom. Got breakfast this morning at Tusker House. It's freezing. The boys are wearing their big, thick jumpers, trying to keep warm. The sun will come out soon, hopefully, and we'll get nice and snugly there. Oh, it's hard to push in record. Oh, is it Pocahontas?
He kissed me. Pocahontas kissed me.
Wow.
Pocahontas like Braxton.
It's Mickey
Mickey and Minnie. Hi, Mickey and Minnie. Oh, look at that high kick. Just walking towards Asia through all the bushes. Can't check in for breakfast for another 20 minutes because we're a little bit early. That's okay. So we're at Tusker House. Harvey!
Sorry about that.
Braxton won't go near him. Do you want to go have a photo? Go on, Harvey. Braxton, go have a photo. Oh, good boy. Oh, get it ready. Cheers. Ah, high five. Yay, say high five. people in the lightning named the strollers, and we've still got Rex in his, so he just fell over and hurt himself again. So what it's like to go through the queue with Harvey.
Jumbo, everyone.
He climbs on
And
everything.
welcome to Kilimanjaro Safaris. In order to
Jumps,
keep your wait
climbs,
time to a
swings.
minimum, we ask that you please keep your group together. Keep up with the party in front of you and fill in
Every
all
queue.
the available spaces. It is not necessary to form a single
Oh
file
my
line.
gosh. And then when you get him on the right, he's not much better. Got your binoculars?
Yeah!
Rex is a little bit chilly. A bit cold under there, mister. A bit chilly, Willie. Yeah. You got a full belly? You full? Did you fall over into your knees again? This one? Yeah.
Tongue. Now these prehensile tongues, they can kind of grab branches, is a big word, but that actually just means that their upper lip kind of works like chopsticks for them. Makes it easier to grab those branches and leaves. They have a sweating system, so they like to hang out under the water as their way to cool off. But they're definitely enjoying this chilly wind. When hippos are in the water, they actually just sink. These crocodiles, they can grow to be up to 16 feet long, which is almost a length of a giraffe. Now these crocodiles, they can crush the bones. Now those ankylocattles have super big horns. Those horns look super heavy, but it can actually weigh up to 15 pounds. Not as heavy as it looks. From some Maasai giraffes here on our left hand side. Now giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. When they are first born, they can be up to 6 feet tall, and they can grow to be up to 20 feet tall. Now giraffes, they can run up to 35 miles per hour. Now giraffes, they will sleep in 5-minute increments and a total of Now each zebra has its unique stripes like we have our unique fingerprints.
He's just going for a little stroll.
So when a baby zebra is born and if by any chance it loses its mother, it can run up to 60 miles per hour. You can see a pretty good view of the giraffe here on our left hand side. 6 feet above the ground. Wow. Because these baobab trees, it can store a little over 1,600 gallons of water. Now, if you look on its back, you can see a lot of dirt. Now, elephants will throw hay and dirt on its head and back to use as a natural sunblock. Now up ahead on our left-hand side, we are going to flamingo is the lightest pink shade of flamingo species. They are very great runners. Now when they run, they will open their wings to give them extra balance and extra stability. Now rhinos are crucially endangered because of their horns. A lot of people think that there's magical elements in the horns, but it's just made out of keratin, the same material found in our hairs and nails. Earthliest goat of all goats.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Show me your dancing skills.
Did you imagine?
Such great theming around here.
Hands, arms, feet, and
Rex into my arms.
and please supervise your children.
They got the jellyfish. Can you see them? Like your jellyfish, don't you? you? Braxton? Braxton? Who are you going to see?
Mickey.
Okay. Many.
You're on it. Wow. Oh, both of you. Alright, that's important. Gotta have both of you.
Let's cuddle. Are we getting a little cuddle? No. Thank you. Harvey? Come back, Harvey.
Just make sure you step back that way she can see.
Can you see Harvey? Harvey, you can touch.
And then once you're done, take a big step back so Kevin can see what's going.
Braxton, do you want to touch?
Yeah, she only really likes on the yellow part. You gotta get on the yellow part.
Simba popcorn. Show us your Simba, Mama. And the boys are eating popcorn. Yeah? There's not much popcorn left. There's not spilled on the floor, but the picture. Alright, just walking down to do some laundry. The boys will go for a swim in the pool. They're excited because they have no rashie on. Oh God, don't sit still, these two. I think they're excited to go for a swim. I'm excited to sit in the laundry for an hour by myself, but that's what I'm excited for. Gonna make myself a drink. So we've just got icy poles. Braxton, you got yours? Yep, and then they're gonna go in the pool. Are you karate chopping that? Can't wait till you're doing the washing and then they get a call. Come back, Braxton needs to go to the toilet. You have to watch Harvey. You having fun? Is it fun, Harvey? Careful! You got grandma wet.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
And then we're going. Then we're going. Where are we going?
Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yes, that's where we're going.
Epcot International Gateway.
We're going to Hollywood Studios today. It's tonight. We went to Animal Kingdom this morning. We've done some washing. We've had a splash in the splash pool.
Relax and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
It's the most magical flight ever. Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski! What can you see?
Look, what's that thing?
Mike Wazowski! You got your nice long sleeve jumpers on. We forgot all about our long sleeve jumpers and we've got like 3 of them. It's like, what's the time? 4:30?
Yeah. Literally 4:30 exactly.
And look at this massive car park.
This car's
But
empty.
it's half empty this side.
And
then you've got this over here. And that's half empty as well.
Mama, look over here. It's even fuller.
But there's all these
Ladies,
empty.
gentlemen,
It's like these are
and
priority
members of the
seats.
Academy.
Parking. Just arrived. Just looking around the busy. Which way are we going, Veronica? Is that Buzz? Can you see Braxton? We're just waiting at Woody's toy box, I think. Veronica's gone to get up some food that we've got for the kids and just some grilled cheese sandwiches. We're just sitting here watching the alien saucers, and then up the top we were watching before. What was over there?
Slinky dog.
Slinky Dog.
Bye-bye. Braxton, knuckle high five.
Unless she shows up at rehearsal.
It was freezing when we left, but this park seems to be in full sun, and so it's hot again. That's alright, the boys will need them soon. I'm just saying, this is the first dinner meal we've actually got in one of the parks. Braxton ordered a grilled cheese toastie. He was very angry and very annoyed when it arrived because it had cheese on it. So Veronica was having to bite all the cheese off so he can have his grilled cheese toastie without cheese. Braxton, we love you.
He's like, just getting my cheese bread.
Toy Story Mania. Hey Braxton, give us a wave. Braxton, hi.
I'm not leaving that one.
It's like to break the door into Woody's bedroom. And then that's the great big like light switch. And then the bedroom windows.
Please get me out of this kid.
It's getting restless. Giant night light plugged into the plug. Oh, there's a set of drawers. We're nearly on the ride. I'm going with Braxton this time. I have to apparently aim, shoot, and do everything for him. And Veronica will go with Harvey. So you go. The sun is so bright. It's as warm as it's been all bloody day. It's been freezing. Just gonna wait for our photo to be taken. Try to get them back on Slinky Dog. They want to go on Slinky Dog, Mama? Was it a big fat no? Who wants to go on Slinky Dog? That's big fat no-nos. Yeah? Peaceful. And then we have this.
That's every bit of music, yes.
And then there, yeah, I know. Braxton's doing thumbs down. We just went on, what did we go on? Lightning McQueen Racing Academy. And now we're doing the Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway. Ooh, here comes our train. Look at all those empty seats waiting for you, Harvey. You're going in the back row, sweetheart. The back row, good boy. Straight over. There's another one behind us, already ready to come in. It stops glowing. It's glowing. Shoes on. So we don't